Assalaamu-alaykum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, and welcome to our second practice exercise for lesson 3, which is our Zabar or our Fatha. In the last practice exercise, we did the Arabic alphabet letters all jumbled up with the Fatha on it. In this exercise, we are going to be practicing actual Arabic words. So let's get started. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Our exercise will be from this point over here up until the end of the page over there. So let's start. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dal, Fatha, Da. Ra, Fatha, Ra. Sin, Fatha, Sa. Da, Ra, Sa. Waw, Fatha, Wa. Dal, Fatha, Da. Ain, Fatha, A. Wa, Da, A. Ain, Fatha, A. Ba, Fatha, Ba. Dal, Fatha, Da. A, Ba, Da. Kaf, Fatha, Ka. Sin, Fatha, Sa. Ba, Fatha, Ba. Ka, Sa, Ba. What I also want you to notice is how the letters are being joined in each of those words. Just pay attention to that. Okay, let's continue. Dal, Fatha, Da. Kho, Fatha, Kha. Lam, Fatha, La. Da, Kha, La. Ba, Fatha, Ba. Lam, Fatha, La. Ghain, Fatha, Gha. Ba, La, Gha. Waw, Fatha, Wa. Jim, Fatha, Ja. Dal, Fatha, Da. Wa, Ja, Da. Sin, Fatha, Sa. Jim, Fatha, Ja. Dal, Fatha, Da. Sa, Ja, Da. Okay, let's go through that again, but this time around, just going to say the word with the sound. Da, Ra, Sa. Wa, Da, A. A, Ba, Da. Ka, Sa, Ba. Da, Kha, La. Ba, La, Gha. Wa, Ja, Da. Sa, Ja, Da. Alhamdulillah, and well done on completing our second practice exercise for lesson 3. In our next video, inshallah, we will be doing a larger exercise and be covering quite a few Arabic words. So be sure to come back for that exercise, inshallah. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Love and salams.